Since 2001, Noah's Park and Playgrounds has worked hard to bring our customers reliable, high-quality playground equipment for a low, reasonable price for everyone. At Noah's Park and Playgrounds, we strive to provide products and services that will bring a lifetime of smiles at your school, church, daycare, city park, neighborhood, or nonprofit facility.
Thank you, Noah's, for our playground!
Our expert sales consultants will work with you, free of charge, to help you get the best bang for your buck on playground structures, climbers, swings, park amenities, early childhood equipment, outdoor fitness equipment, shade structures, sporting equipment, dog park equipment, safety surfacing, ADA accessible equipment, and so much more. Depending on your equipment needs, location, budget, age group, and other factors, our experienced playground designers meticulously create a playground site plan as well as a 3D visual representation of your playground to help you make final decisions on your playground project. Once your purchased equipment arrives at your holding warehouse, our professional CPSI certified installation crew is ready to install all of the equipment or assist you and your community install volunteer team to build your new playground from the ground up. Noah's Park and Playgrounds loyal customers trust us to bring them new, improved, and updated playground equipment year after year. Not only do we serve our local and regional communities, we are able to serve customers nationwide with our convenient online quote request system and shopping cart. With just one click of a mouse, you can receive product and service quotes, as well as purchase equipment to be shipped directly to you at your location or facility. Visit our website or call us. We would love to talk to you about how we can help with your future playground needs. Thank you from Noah's Park and Playgrounds, and we hope to work with you very soon.